Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations where we have x squared multiplied by f of x equals x open bracket f of x all squared. And what is f of x? So you can pause this video and give it a try. So let's get into it. When we consider the solution here, the question says x squared multiplied by f of x equals x multiplied by f of x all squared. Then suppose we consider x here not equals 0. So we consider this as step 1. If x is not equals to 0, then let's divide by, if we divide by x, we are going to have x squared divided by x, f of x equals x divided by x multiplied by f of x all squared. If x cancelled x, and here x is 1 and x cancelled here, we have x. Therefore we have x multiplied by f of x equals f of x all raised to the power of 2. Then if we subtract f of x from both sides, we are going to have f of x all raised to the power of 2 minus x f of x equals 0. Then at this point, let's try and factor out. If I factor f of x from this, we are going to have f of x open bracket f of x minus x equals 0. So if this is what we have, then for each x not equals to 0, then we are going to have either f of x equals to 0, or we have f of x minus x equals 0. So if f of x equals to 0 and f of x minus x equals to 0, therefore we have our f of x also equals x. So these are the two things we got when x is not equals 0. Then let's consider this as case 1. We have gotten f of x that we want as 0 and at x. But this does not define full analysis of f of x, that you can just consider that we conclude that it is equal to 0 and it is equals x. We have to consider series of cases and series of number that will satisfy this. So let's get into the second step. When you consider the case 2, let's say we have x squared multiplied by f of x equals x multiplied by f of x all squared. Then by this one, if the case 2 is x equals 0, suppose x equals to 0, we are going to have this as 0 squared multiplied by f of 0 equals 0 multiplied by f of 0 all raised to the power of 2. And by what we have here, we can see that 0 will be equals 0. So if 0 equals to 0, this is also odd for any values of f of 0. So this is odd. This is odd for any values of f of 0. So when this holds for any values of f of 0, then f of 0 can be any real number. So it can be any real number like 12, 13, minus 1 and others. So that is for when x equals 0. And again, if we have another case, let me consider this the general form. So in a general form, to make it a general that it is applicable to every form of these equations in this, we consider the first one as when x is not equal 0. Then these functions must satisfy when f of x equals 0, and again we can still have f of x equals x. So these are the general forms of this. And for us to have a valid functions, like a valid function for f of x equals to 0 and f of x equals x, since we are considering the general form. For the first one, if we have f of x equals 0, so this is for all values of x, and this is valid for when the x is not equals 0. And again, if we have our f of x equals x, so for all x as well, there is also valid for when x is not equals 0. So this is the general form of this. But what if we are trying to consider the continuous function? So let me call this one step 3, the continuous functions. So we are going to divide this based on piecewise functions, so to show the continuity of this. So in a continuous functions, we are going to divide, let's say for f to be continuous, we are going to have f of x, which divides based on piecewise, as we are going to have x, and we're still going to have x. So if this is equals to 0, then it shows that our x here is greater than 0. And if this f of x equals to 0, so we are going to see that our x here is less than 0. So let's say it equals to constant values. This shows that our x equals 0. So this is for a continuous function. And for the first one, which x is greater than 0, so if you have f of 0 here, so it shows that it is equals to 0. And the second one as well, if you have f of 0, it shows that this also equals 0. So this is a continuous form of this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.